Are your favourite scarves sitting forgotten in a drawer? Don't let them. This little accessory is truly the most powerful, effortless anti-aging tool in your wardrobe. The right drape, colour and knot can frame your face, brighten your skin and add a touch of modern elegance that instantly sheds years. Hello and welcome back to Senior Fashion Styles, where we prove that your most stylish years are right now. If you've ever felt like scarves make you look bulky, old-fashioned, or just plain messy, you are in the right place. Today I'm showing you 10 easy, sophisticated ways to wear your scarves that are anything but matronly. These styles are chic, polished, and will have you looking younger and more vibrant in seconds. Before we dive into the gorgeous styles, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell below. You don't want to miss a single style secret for looking your absolute best in your 60s and beyond. Now, let's get tying. Style number 1, the French knot, the instant neckerchief. This style is an absolute classic for a reason. It's instantly youthful and incredibly neat. It's the perfect way to wear a small square silk scarf, about 20 to 30 inches, because it keeps the colour right up near your face without adding any aging bulk or muffler look around the neck. To achieve this, take your square scarf, lay it flat, and then fold it diagonally until you have a long, thin band. Wrap this band around your neck, bringing the ends to the front. Tie a simple knot, and then tie a second knot right over the top to secure it. The final touch is crucial. Adjust the knot so it sits slightly off-centre and tuck the remaining little tails cleanly under the folded band. This French knot look pairs beautifully with simple, elegant necklines like crew necks, V-necks, or even under the collar of a crisp button-down shirt or blazer. It gives your outfit a polished, almost preppy structure, instantly elevating a casual ensemble like jeans and a white t-shirt. Because it's so close to your chin and collarbone, make sure the scarf's pattern or colour is one that makes your eyes pop and your skin glow. It's the easiest way to look like you just stepped off the streets of Paris. Style number 2, the Simple Drape, the vertical slimmer. This technique couldn't be easier, yet it's one of the most effective for achieving an instantly elongated and polished silhouette. All you need is a long rectangular scarf, something soft, like a modal blend or a lightweight wool, with a beautiful pattern or saturated colour. The key here is verticality. Simply fold the scarf in half lengthwise and place the centre of the scarf right at the back of your neck. Let both ends hang down perfectly straight and even in the front. Resist the urge to loop or tie it. This creates 2 uninterrupted vertical lines running down the front of your body, which is universally slimming and very chic. To make this look truly deliberate and sophisticated, you need to anchor it. This is where your jewellery comes into play. Take a fantastic modern brooch, nothing too tiny or antique looking, and use it to subtly secure the 2 ends of the scarf to each other or to your top, right around the mid-chest level. This small detail prevents the scarf from flapping or shifting and makes the look appear totally intentional, not accidental. It's perfect over a plain cashmere sweater, a tailored button-down, or underneath an open blazer or structured jacket, instantly pulling the whole outfit together with minimal effort. Style number 3, the infinity twist, the voluminous comfort. If you love the warmth and comfort of a cosy winter scarf, but hate the mess of long, floppy ends, the infinity twist is your sophisticated solution. This style uses a long rectangular scarf, something soft, voluminous, and perhaps a bit thicker, like a fine cashmere or a lofty wool blend. The beauty of the twist is that it locks the scarf securely in place, looking deliberate and perfectly rounded without the need for constant adjusting, making it ideal for brisk weather or travel. To create this clean modern loop, you'll first fold your long scarf in half, aligning the 2 short ends. Then drape the scarf around your neck, holding the looped end in one hand and the 2 loose tails in the other. Now simply pull the 2 loose tails through the looped end, securing the scarf neatly at your throat. The key to keeping it youthful is to fluff and soften the resulting twist. You want a gentle, voluminous curve that frames your jawline, not a tight, restrictive knot. This look works perfectly inside the collar of a winter coat, or as a substitute for a necklace over a fitted turtleneck, providing beautiful colour and texture right where it matters most. Style number 4. The hidden knot, the seamless cowl neck. This technique is the secret to getting that effortlessly chic, continuous loop look that mimics an elegant cowl neck, but with the added benefit of using a flattering colour or print right near your face. It's ideal for a medium to large square scarf, or a thinner long rectangular scarf that drapes beautifully. The goal is to achieve a soft, seamless, voluminous loop that appears to have no beginning or end, projecting an air of sleek sophistication. To execute the hidden knot, first fold your scarf into a relatively wide band. Wrap the band around your neck once, letting the ends meet at the front. Tie a loose knot right there. Then, gently twist the entire scarf until that knot is positioned at the back of your neck. Finally, fluff out the loop in the front and carefully tuck the knot completely underneath the folded fabric at the back. This hides the mechanics and leaves you with a beautifully fluid, continuous circle of colour. This style provides lovely dimension and looks particularly wonderful worn with a simple high-neck blouse or a structured sweater, keeping the focus entirely on your radiant face. Style number 5. The chic cape or shawl, the instant outerwear replacement. When you need an extra layer that looks more expensive and refined than a simple cardigan, a large blanket scarf or pashmina transformed into a chic cape is the answer. This style is especially useful for transitioning between seasons or adding colour over simple outfits like black trousers and a shell top. The key is to choose a scarf that is large, think 45 inches square or bigger, and made of a lovely drapable fabric like fine merino wool or a cashmere blend that holds its shape without feeling stiff. To create this flattering look, simply unfold the scarf completely and drape it over your shoulders asymmetrically, allowing one side to hang slightly longer than the other. The goal is for the fabric to flow naturally without pulling or bunching across the chest. This soft, continuous line across the top of your outfit creates a beautiful focal point and instantly elevates the entire ensemble, giving you that effortlessly luxurious feel. It cleverly replaces a jacket or coat, drawing attention upward and away from the hips, making it a wonderful piece for adding both sophistication and comfort. Style number 6. The belted wrap, the silhouette transformer. This is perhaps the most modern and chic way to wear a large scarf, instantly transforming it from a simple accessory into a structured piece of outerwear. The belted wrap works wonders because it defines your waistline, a crucial step for a youthful silhouette, especially when wearing layers. You'll need a large, square or rectangular pashmina-style scarf and a thin chic belt, ideally one that contrasts slightly with the scarf or your jacket. Start by simply draping the scarf over your shoulders like the cape shawl, style 5, ensuring both sides hang evenly over the front of your chest. Next, put on a sleek, tailored belt right over the scarf at your natural waistline. The belt cinches the scarf, creating sleeves and structure, essentially turning the fabric into a custom vest or cape. This look is incredibly slimming because it establishes a clear hourglass shape, and it's the perfect way to modernise an older coat, blazer, or even just a simple dress. This style is polished, deliberate, and undeniably sophisticated. Style number 7. The waterfall drape, the elegant streamliner. When your goal is to add colour and texture while maximising a slimming, elegant effect, the waterfall drape is the style you need. This technique creates one long, continuous line of fabric down the front of your body, drawing the eye vertically, which instantly makes you appear taller and leaner. It's best achieved with a long, thin, rectangular scarf made from a lightweight, silky material that flows and doesn't hold stiff creases. To create the perfect waterfall, take your long scarf and loop it just once around your neck. Position the loop so that one tail of the scarf is significantly longer than the other, perhaps twice as long. Adjust the loop so it rests comfortably against your collarbone, and then allow both ends to hang naturally and loosely in front. Crucially, the long tail should hang past your waist, creating that beautiful, unbroken streamline. This style is superb for breaking up a solid colour outfit or complementing a high-neck top, providing a beautiful frame that feels modern, effortless, and wonderfully graceful. Style number 8. The handbag tie, the pop of personality. Sometimes the most sophisticated way to wear a scarf isn't actually around your neck, it's using it as an accent piece. The handbag tie is a brilliant, low-commitment way to add a flash of colour, personality, and modern flair to your overall look. It works particularly well with a classic handbag that might need a little lift, making an older, well-loved bag look instantly fresh and expensive. You'll need a small to medium-sized square silk scarf for this technique, ideally one with a vivid print. To execute this, simply tie the scarf directly onto one of your handbag handles. You have a few options. You can either tie it in a simple soft bow and let the tails dangle, or you can tightly wrap the scarf completely around the base of the handle for a structured look. The key is choosing a scarf colour that either perfectly matches one element of your outfit or, even better, provides a bold, chic contrast. This simple trick shows attention to detail and is a subtle, playful way to incorporate a trend without committing to wearing the colour directly near your face all day. Style number 9. The wrist wrap, cuff, the subtle statement. For those days when you want a minimal accessory that speaks volumes about your style awareness, the wrist wrap cuff is a perfect choice. This technique is incredibly contemporary and uses a scarf in place of traditional jewellery, offering a fantastic pop of colour or print right where you might normally wear a bracelet. It's an unexpected detail that demonstrates you pay attention to the small, sophisticated touches, which is a hallmark of truly great style. To master this look, you'll need a small square silk scarf around 18 to 22 inches because it lies flat and doesn't create unwanted bulk. Fold your small scarf into a very thin, neat strip. Wrap it once or twice around your wrist, depending on the scarf's length and how snug you want the fit to be. Tie a small, tight double knot and tuck the tiny tails neatly underneath the wrap. This keeps the look clean and sharp. Worn alone or next to a simple classic watch, this silk cuff adds texture and movement, instantly making any simple outfit, like a white shirt or a basic knit, feel instantly updated and thoughtfully accessorized. Style number 10. The low ponytail tie, the head-turning hair accent. The final, truly youthful and often overlooked way to wear a scarf is not around your neck, but in your hair. The low ponytail tie is a perfect, sophisticated alternative to a basic hair elastic, offering a playful yet elegant finishing touch that is incredibly flattering after 60. It's a fantastic way to pull your hair back neatly, while injecting a beautiful print or colour right near the crown of your head, drawing positive attention upward. For this look, you'll want a medium-sized square scarf or a long thin scarf made of light silk or a soft cotton blend. First, gather your hair into a sleek low ponytail or a messy bun at the nape of your neck and secure it with a regular hair tie. Next, take your scarf, fold it into a thin band, and simply wrap it around the base of the ponytail, tying it in a neat, soft bow right on top. Crucially, allow the tails of the scarf to hang down alongside your hair. This movement and softness are what keep the style modern and glamorous, avoiding any restrictive, old-fashioned look. It's chic, easy, and adds a beautifully unexpected element of colour to your profile. Before you tie a single knot, you have to understand the fabric. This is the single biggest secret to making your scarf look instantly younger, more sophisticated, and more expensive. After 60, we want to focus on pieces that are soft and gentle to the touch and which drape beautifully. Therefore, your first rule is to ditch anything stiff, scratchy, or overly thick that sits like a bulky collar. Bulk equals age, soft drape equals luxury. The golden standard here is silk, fine modal, or cashmere blends. These lighter materials have a subtle, soft sheen and movement that frames the face elegantly, reflecting light onto your skin for a subtle, flattering glow. It's like built-in gentle illumination. A stiff cotton or heavy wool can hang awkwardly and add unwanted visual weight to your neck and shoulders. Always choose a fabric that flows. When the fabric moves, it feels light, modern, and perfectly polished, no matter the price tag. So there you have it. 10 effortless ways to transform a simple piece of fabric into a statement of style and sophistication. Remember the core philosophy. Use your scarves not just for warmth, but as strategic tools to frame your face, add light, and incorporate colour in a youthful, intentional way. The moment you start treating a scarf as a chic piece of jewellery rather than just a cold weather necessity, you unlock its true power. My absolute final tip for you is to practice. Don't get frustrated if a knot doesn't look perfect the first time. Grab 5 scarves and play in front of the mirror. Find the 1 or 2 styles from today's video that you absolutely love, that feel comfortable, and that make you smile. Once you find your signature style, it only takes seconds to achieve that polished, sophisticated look. Which of these 10 styles, the French knot, the belted wrap, or maybe the handbag tie, are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed learning these techniques, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Senior Fashion Styles for more tips on looking your beautiful absolute best. At any age, see you next time.